What's up, guys? I got a super cool keyboard to show you today. This is the EWEADN V20. Let's open this up. Woo! Guys, you need to see this. Look how amazing this looks, guys. I picked up this kind of retro green color, right? I'm hoping the video is doing this justice. And you get these almost like brass color around the keycaps. These are electroplated keycaps. Guys, look how interesting this looks. You can see the switches on the bottom. Look at that. It's like the keycaps are like floating, okay? I am so impressed with this full-size keyboard, okay? You get the full-size keyboard and you get the multimedia controls here. You have the knob and then you have a couple of the multimedia controls here. But like, guys, look how cool this looks. In the box, you also get a retro green color USB cable. Now, this has tri-mode connectivity, so you can run it wired, you can run it Bluetooth, you can run it via a USB dongle, which is stored right here, magnetically stored. Boom, right there. Anyway, let's go plug this in and let's see how it sounds. Okay, guys, so I have the EWEADN V20 set up, and look how amazing this looks. Look how bright the backlight is. It's absolutely incredible. I have the lights kind of turned down so we can just really focus in on the keyboard, and it's actually quite impressive. Now, if I press the function button and the insert button, I can click through 19 different light settings. There are some pretty amazing ones here, guys. Now, if I click on the function button and up and down, it's going to essentially make it brighter or like take it all the way down. Left and right is going to make the backlight move a little slower or faster. But yeah, there are so many different light settings. One better than the next. Look at this one. Super cool. Yeah, really, really nice. Anyway, guys, let's do a quick sound test. Anyway, guys, so we've seen the light settings. We've heard the sound test. Guys, this is quite an impressive keyboard, okay? We are talking about just a keyboard that exudes some really old school vibes. Look at this. I absolutely love the floating keycaps here. You have pink switches underneath the keycaps, which I'm struggling on how to characterize the sound, because it's not clacky, it's not clicky, and it's definitely not creamy. It just gives a very specific sound. I'm trying to put my finger on it, and I got to do a little thinking on it. But yeah, guys, love the look of this. If you are in the market for a very interesting keyboard, you definitely have to check out the EWEADN V20, guys. It is absolutely impressive. Tino reviews here. This is absolutely a 2 thumbs up. Let me know if you have any questions, guys. It's super cool. I'll catch you guys on the next one.